Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Robertsdale local and long-distance movers near me. When you hire a cheap Robertsdale moving company, you need one you can rely on. 3 Movers is both affordable and trustworthy. We provide the best local and long-distance moving services you will find. Our team knows how to streamline the entire moving process to save you time and energy. A long-distance move is time-consuming and stressful. With our service options, it becomes easier. We offer packing services. No more time wasted doing the packing and unpacking. We do it for you with a full-service move. Moving supplies. If you prefer to pack up, we can supply you with all the materials you need to protect your things. An on-time move. You never get delayed with us. We show up at the agreed-upon time ready to work for you. Upfront pricing. Our moving quotes provide transparent pricing so you don't have to worry about surprise fees. Licensed and insured. All your belongings are fully protected when you choose to move with us. We make your relocation easier. It's already hard enough to move 1 state over, 3 states away, or across the country. With our help, you won't have to do any of the hard work. Let us make your long-distance move easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Robertsdale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.